everyone, how are you all? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to put some cute temporary tattoos. So come, let's see the materials. Your favorite doodles in black and white. Don't use newspaper because I have tried with newspaper and it have not worked. So use printed paper. Now we can move to the next step. Cut the doodle which you're going to use. I'm going to use this doodle and keep water ready in a glass. Now take the perfume. You can use whichever perfume you have. Spray the perfume in the doodle and put the doodle in the glass of water. Wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, spray the perfume where you are going to put the tattoo. Now take the doodle and keep it in your hand. Keep the doodle faced to the side of your hand. Tap firmly. Now take this paper and see the magic. Wow, the doodle is printed here. Try this in your home and share the results in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe to Art with AATHMI. Stay tuned. Bye.